So this is the Brinks high security lock. 2,400 pounds cut resistance for this 7/8 thick shackle. Oh, 7/8 shackle length of an inch. Let's see. What else does it say? 4-pin pick resistance, 1,000-pound pie resistance. Looks like it's a picture of a toolbox. It's a plastic toolbox. I just put the toolbox anyway. So, this is what the key looks like. Be my third lock. Trying to pick. Haven't had much luck with this. I've tried it last weekend, and for some reason I'm having all kinds of problems with it. Then again, could be my amateur self. There. I had wondered why I couldn't get in there. Wow. That's not too bad. The only problem I see with this now is when you open it and you try to close it, it binds on the one side. This is a brand new lock, so it shouldn't be. You can see it going forward this way when you close it. So it's binding on the top part here where it's cut. On the top part of this lock. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you will. I'm going to be doing some more locks. I think this is a fun hobby to have. Sit here at home, play around with it. I defeated the standard Brinks. I got the high security Brinks. And next on the agenda is the Dollar Tree ones. You might think that's funny, but I actually bought 3 more locks. Like I said before, just getting into this kind of stuff. I don't know what kind of lock this is, but I don't see any pins in it. And it only cost $1. This one will probably be the next one. So stay tuned.